Hi, what's up? This is Toby from I Travel Forever. Today I'm soaking in the sun and fun here in Tulum Beach, where the beach clubs are the place to be. This one here now is the best one, so let's hit it.
Association. Now you look at deputy mad in my brown.
Put my problems in the paper, put my problems paper. Now you look at deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper, put my problems paper. Now you look at
Well, this is really happening here. It's popping. It's really, really amazing. You gotta come and make this your experience. So, give a like to this, girls.
Subscribe to my channel.
And I see you in the next one. Bye bye.